Hello and warm welcome to another workshop Management Center. What is new in the version 2.4? Today we like to get a little bit a deeper impression of what we can customize from a graphical user interface in the Management Center. For that I have prepared already a predefined customization, and as you can see the top bar, the header bar, it's now black instead blue. And I have also integrate a customer logo in the Management Center. So you as a partner can individually adjust your partner logo in the Management Center, and you also can use your company colors in the header bar to personalize the Management Center more to your needs, or even if the customer is requesting this kind of customization. Where is that customization taking also place? For example, if you open the welcome dialog, as you can see, that customization bar will also be visible in the welcome dialog and also in the sub-dialogues of the welcome dialog. Where you can change the configuration for that, go to the menu dialog of the Management Center, to the preferences. In the preferences, there's a new setting, it's called customization. Here in customization, you can generally activating or deactivating, disabling that customization. If you disable that, say OK and reboot, and then it's the Management Center as it was before in the factory default settings. If you activate them, then you also can choosing different colors. Say OK, choosing different font colors, and also choosing a different logo. Keep in mind the logo will be supported in the format PNG, and the logo needs to be adjusted before that it fits to the scaling factor of the header bar above here. So that is what you need to take care, and then I hope you can use that and have fun with that new functionality. Thank you very much and goodbye.